Under the radiant sun, a vast green meadow stretches out, promising peace. In the heart of this tranquility, 3 bullocks, black, brown, and white, find harmony in their grazing. The brown bullock grazes quietly, its movements slow and deliberate. The white bullock stands as a beacon of purity against the vibrant green, completing the tableau of serene coexistence. A symphony of nature unfolds as the bullocks graze, their every movement a testament to the meadow's quiet charm. The meadow basks in sunlight, a haven where nature's simple beauty and the bullock's gentle presence merge into one. At the forest's edge, a lion observes, its gaze intense with hunger and strategic thought. The lion's powerful frame remains still, but the hunger in its eyes intensifies. Every muscle in the lion's body is poised, a predator ready to strike. A silent calculation flickers across the lion's face. The forest holds its breath, awaiting the lion's next move. In the heart of a vibrant green meadow, 2 bullocks share a serene moment of grazing, their closeness palpable. With their bodies almost touching, they move in harmony, their tails swishing in a synchronized rhythm that speaks of deep companionship. The bullocks seek sanctuary from the sun. They find respite under the sprawling branches of a large tree where shadows dance and the air is cool. Their relaxed postures reveal a bond forged in shared moments of tranquility. The meadow whispers tales of friendship and peace. In the vast green meadow, a lion unleashes a terrifying roar, shattering the calm. The lion charges with unrestrained ferocity, predatory intent blazing in its eyes. The bullocks stand shoulder to shoulder, their muscular bodies a wall of defiance. The lion pauses, its advance halted by the bullock's imposing united front. Frustration mounts as the lion realizes its raw power is no match for their collective strength. Defeated, the lion retreats, its predatory ambition thwarted by the unyielding bond of the bullocks. Beneath the forest's canopy, a lion reigns, amber eyes gleaming with cunning. The lion considers his next move, and a cunning plan begins to form in his mind. Lost in thought, the lion envisions his scheme to outwit the bullocks. With deliberate precision, the lion strokes its thick mane, the plan solidifying. The lion's every movement reflects the careful calculation of a predator on the hunt. In the vast green meadow, a silent hunter stirs. The lion stealthily advances toward a solitary black bullock. Unseen, the lion moves, his intentions hidden. The black bullock grazes, oblivious to the approaching danger. The lion whispers his sinister plans into the wind. The black bullock continues to graze, unaware of the lion's plotting. Under the vast, sun-drenched sky, a majestic lion leans in towards the black bullock, the air thick with unspoken intent. The lion's eyes gleam with cunning as he whispers, "Your friends don't truly like you. They talk about you behind your back." The black bullock stares back, confusion clouding his features as the lion's words hang in the air. The meadow stretches on, an idyllic backdrop to the unfolding drama between predator and prey. A lone black bullock, burdened by unspoken sorrow, breaks away from the herd. His departure leaves his brown and white companions bewildered, their expressions questioning his solitude. The brown bullock watches with puzzled look. The white bullock watches with puzzled look. The black bullock walks away. The green meadow stretches out under the vast sky, yet a sense of desolation hangs heavy as the 3 bullocks begin to drift apart. Each bullock grazes in solitude, avoiding the gaze of the others, as if burdened by an unspoken tension. The once vibrant meadow now feels empty, the air thick with a strained silence that speaks volumes. The expansive meadow, once a symbol of unity, now echoes with the unspoken discord between the bullocks. The solitude of each bullock paints a scene of strained relationships, set against the backdrop of the once lively meadow. In the expansive green meadow, a lone brown bullock grazes, oblivious to the world around it. Isolated from its herd, the bullock stands as a solitary figure amid the vast green expanse. Hidden deep within the thick bushes, a lion watches with intense focus, its eyes gleaming with primal anticipation. The air thickens with the unseen tension between the hunter and its unsuspecting prey. Unbeknownst to the bullock, a predator lurks nearby, ready to strike. From the heart of the bushes, the lion emerges with explosive force. The powerful muscles propel the lion forward, a relentless force of nature unleashed. Caught off guard and alone, the brown bullock is forced to escape. The brown bullock vanishes into the dense forest, seeking refuge from the predator's relentless pursuit. In the expansive green meadow, a lone white bullock grazes, its tranquility tinged with unease. Nervous energy radiates from the bullock as it pauses, its senses heightened. A subtle shift in the air. The bullock's eyes dart around, a silent alarm. Anxiety mounts as the bullock's gaze sweeps across the meadow, sensing a lurking threat. The bullock remains frozen, its instincts warning of impending danger. The morning's peace is torn apart by a ferocious roar. A terrified white bullock bolts across the vibrant green meadow, its life hanging in the balance. Every sinew strains as the white bullock desperately tries to outpace its pursuer. The earth trembles under the pounding hooves, a desperate flight against inevitable doom. In a desperate bid for survival, the white bullock vanishes into the dense, sheltering trees. In the expansive green meadow, a black bullock stands isolated, its large eyes reflecting sheer terror. Panic sets in as the bullock surveys its surroundings, the stark realization of its solitude becoming overwhelmingly clear. The bullock is now alone. Its eyes show a dawning comprehension of its mistake. The black bullock stands frozen, the terror in its eyes deepening as it fully grasps its predicament. The meadow stretches out, indifferent to the bullock's growing fear. In the expansive green meadow, a predator emerges, its gaze menacingly fixed on its unsuspecting target. The lion begins its calculated advance, each step measured, each movement deliberate as it closes the distance. The black bullock stands frozen, its eyes wide with terror as it senses the impending danger. The black bullock trembles, its body convulsing with fear as the predator draws closer. The lion continues its relentless approach, its eyes never wavering, its focus absolute. The black bullock remains defenseless, its fate hanging in the balance as the lion closes in. In the expansive green meadow, a lion circles its prey, relishing the taste of victory. The black bullock attempts a desperate escape, its muscles straining against the inevitable. Muscles tense, it braces for a final, futile dash. But the lion is too fast, too strong. The end draws near for the black bullock. In the serene green meadow, a sudden, violent attack shatters the peace. The black bullock stumbles, the force of the lion's onslaught overwhelming. Defeated, the bullock crashes to the earth, the sound echoing through the meadow. Silence descends once more, broken only by the distant echoes of the brutal conflict. Sunlight streams into the forest, casting long shadows. The lion appears at the edge of the forest, its eyes gleaming in the sunlight. The lion drags its prey, a heavy burden, deeper into the forest. With its prey secured, the lion disappears, swallowed by the shadows. Silence descends upon the meadow as the forest reclaims its secrets. The forest stands silent, concealing the lion and its kill. Bathed in the golden light of a bygone day, 3 bullocks reunite in a verdant meadow, their gentle presence painting a scene of pastoral serenity. The sun kisses their coats, turning them to shimmering bronze as they move as one across the field. A tender reunion unfolds as they affectionately nudge against each other, their unity a symbol of simpler times. Peace radiates from the meadow, a timeless tableau of nature's quiet harmony and enduring friendship. In the radiant expanse of a green meadow, two bullocks stand shoulder to shoulder, their collective might radiating like a fortress. Their unified front becomes an impenetrable shield against the lurking lion, their shared strength echoing across the serene landscape. The lion observes from a distance, his gaze fixed on the bullocks. Their collective stance embodies the power of unity, a beacon of resilience against the approaching danger. In their solidarity, the bullocks demonstrate that unity is their strength. The green meadow stretches out, empty and silent under the sun. The once vibrant meadow is now a scene of stark desolation, the sun casting long, somber shadows. The emptiness amplifies the sense of loss, the absence of life weighing heavily on the landscape. The sun's harsh light reveals the desolate beauty of the meadow, a poignant reminder of what once was. The meadow stands as a silent testament to time and change, its emptiness a canvas for reflection and remembrance. In the heart of the forest, a lion gorges itself on its prey, its powerful jaws tearing into the flesh. The lion pauses, momentarily sated, its eyes reflecting a flicker of something beyond mere satisfaction. Its hunger quelled, a profound emptiness lingers in the air. The forest remains silent, observing the solitary predator. A vast green meadow stretches out, bathed in the gentle caress of daylight. A single flower stands alone amidst the waving grasses, a fragile beacon of beauty. Its delicate petals tremble, seemingly burdened by the weight of unspoken sorrows. The flower is a symbol of lost innocence. The flower embodies the essence of broken trust. At the forest's edge, twisted trees claw skyward, their skeletal branches weaving a dense canopy. Shadows dance and flicker, hinting at hidden dangers and unseen creatures lurking within. The air hangs heavy, thick with the scent of damp earth and decaying leaves, a palpable sense of foreboding. The interconnectedness of the trees serves as a silent reminder. Unity is survival. Sunlight struggles to pierce the dense canopy, casting an eerie glow upon the forest floor. Deep within the forest, a sense of unease permeates the air, promising untold dangers. The sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the meadow as dusk approaches. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, painting the scene with hues of orange and purple. A final, melancholic light bathes the empty meadow, highlighting the desolation. Silence descends as the last rays of sunlight fade, leaving behind a sense of emptiness. The consequences of division are etched into the landscape, a stark reminder of irreversible loss. The meadow stands as a desolate reminder of what once was, now lost forever.